Do you want to cut off dome?
If you one tap them, fucker, that's so fun. A little bit.
He's prone. You saw me.
I can't quite see. Alright.
Missed. They see me. Behind us! Behind us! I was going behind us!
I got you.
Yeah, this guy. Let's kill this guy first.
Oh god, man.
I missed. I missed.
Got him.
Nice. Yeah, so I did one, just one. So I killed the first kid. Fucking here. I'm already in the lab.
Can you stream then, bitch? You got black.
Drugs. Drugs.
Gentlemen, I think I'm gonna head out.
All right.
Some dude.
Catch you later.
Peace.
Hey man, how's it going? Damn it.
Damn.
The guy
They don't fuck around at laps.
No, they fucking don't. There he is. Oh my god, my fucking bullet hit the rock. Oh my god, my guy's just dehydrated, so he's not getting any stamina. I'm gonna go now.
Are you serious?
Alright, bro.